Imagine a life where financial freedom isn't just a dream, but a reality you live every single day. Picture yourself traveling the world, enjoying the best experiences life has to offer, and feeling the weight of financial stress lift off your shoulders. Sounds amazing, right? Financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a goal within reach. But let's face it, many people are struggling to find the right path. In a world full of distractions and temptations, knowing the smart money moves to make can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. Today we're diving into essential strategies that will set you up for wealth and success in 2025. Stay with me, because by the end you'll be ready to take action. Act 1. Set the scene. First on our list is investing in yourself through skill development. In today's fast-paced world, the job market is constantly changing, and the skills you have today may not be enough tomorrow. Continuous learning is essential. Whether it's mastering coding, enhancing your design skills, or improving your public speaking, investing in your skills can yield a significant return. Each new skill you acquire is like a stepping stone to higher earning potential and career advancement. This year, consider taking a course or attending workshops that excite you. This investment could change your career trajectory and your financial future. What skills will you focus on this year? But hold on, next we're exploring a strategy that puts your money to work while you sleep. Act 2. Rising action. Let's talk about making your money work harder. It's crucial to move away from low-interest savings accounts. Instead, consider high-interest savings accounts or low-risk investments. The difference can be staggering. For example, if you save $1,000 in a standard savings account earning 0.01% interest, you'll barely earn anything over a year. But put that same amount in a high-interest account or a conservative investment, and you could see that money grow significantly. Think of it like nurturing a plant. Put in the right environment, water it with patience, and watch it flourish. Your savings can create a financial cushion that supports your dreams. It's about making your money work for you rather than sitting idle. Sounds promising, right? Or, if you prefer, you could let your cash sit idle and wait centuries to grow. Sounds thrilling, right? Not so much. Now, let's face the truth. How often do good intentions go out the window when it's time to save? That's where automation comes in. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts so you don't even have to think about it. It's a simple way to ensure you're building wealth effortlessly. Think about it. If you automate your savings to pull a specific amount from your paycheck every month, you'll adjust your spending to match what you have left. Imagine logging in a year from now and seeing your savings grow without lifting a finger. It's like having a personal finance assistant working for you. And if you think that's exciting, wait until you hear about a strategy that could either boost your wealth or keep you struggling. Act 3. Resolution. Next, we have a crucial topic: high-interest debt. It's a financial anchor that can drag you down. Paying interest on credit cards or loans not only impacts your monthly budget, but also limits your ability to save for the future. Imagine this. If you have a $5,000 credit card balance at a 20% interest rate, you're paying $1,000 a year just to keep that debt. Prioritize paying down this debt. Focus on strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method to tackle high-interest debt first. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar you can reinvest in your future. Break free from the cycle of dependency and set yourself up for success. Or as they say, don't get stuck paying for yesterday's coffee for years to come. Now let's focus on security. An emergency fund acts as your safety net. If unexpected expenses arise, such as car repairs or medical bills, you won't have to dive into debt. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Start small if you need to, but make it a priority. For instance, if your monthly expenses are $2,000, aim to save between $6,000 and $12,000. This fund will provide you with peace of mind, allowing you to handle life's surprises with confidence. Having that cushion will help you take calculated risks in your financial journey without fear of financial disaster. And if you're ready to make those dreams a reality, here's one last tip that can accelerate Finally, let's talk about your aspirations. Create a goal-focused fund for your future desires, be it a dream vacation, a new car, or your first home. When you save with a specific goal in mind, every dollar has purpose and power. For example, if your dream vacation costs $3,000 and you plan to go in 12 months, set aside $250 each month. Start visualizing your future today, and take action towards making it happen. It's the difference between drifting through life and actively pursuing your dreams. If you're ready to turn your vacation dreams into reality, don't miss our previous video, How to Save for Your Dream Vacation Step-by-Step Budgeting Tips. Click on the end screen, and let's start planning that perfect getaway. Here's to making 2025 your most financially successful year yet. You've got